Hello and welcome to Hearing Healthcare Centre. We've recently made a series of videos showcasing custom-made noise protection and the various earplugs that we make in-house. From sleeping, swimming and music to motorcycle, industrial and shooting plugs, we make them all, and there's a vital part of each process which deserves its own segment: impression taking. Obviously, custom-moulded products are unique to the individual's ear, so before we start making your mould, we need to take an impression of your ear. For your information, we also take impressions prior to fitting behind the ear and in the ear hearing aids, so it's a very common procedure in the clinic. The process. Like with all procedures, for an impression to be taken, an appointment would need to be scheduled in one of our clinics. Once you arrive for your appointment, one of our friendly audiologists will greet you and invite you to make yourself comfortable in the patient chair. Our audiologist will run through a brief but comprehensive questionnaire about your hearing health and your medical history, including such information as whether you've ever had grommets, a perforated eardrum, or large operations such as a stapedectomy. Assuming your screening is clear, the audiologist would proceed with a visual inspection of your outer and middle ear. This is called an otoscopic examination. Because of the nature and shape of ears, they rarely get inspected. As professional and responsible healthcare providers, we take every opportunity to inspect the health of our clients' ears. The audiologist is looking for abnormalities, which might need investigating. If everything is healthy, the audiologist will insert an otoblock into your ear canal, which prevents any impression material from travelling too far into your ear canal and potentially damaging your eardrum. Then, impressions are made by injecting a fast-setting silicone mixture into the ear canal, creating an exact mould of your ear, lumps, bumps and everything. Once injected, it only takes around 5 minutes before the mould has set, and at that point it can be removed. It is a simple, safe procedure with nothing to worry about. At Hearing Healthcare Centre, we've conducted thousands of ear impressions. It's worth noting that, like your nose, your ears never stop growing. For this reason, it's widely understood that your ears significantly change shape every 2 years, so you may find that existing moulds start to lose their perfect fit as time progresses. As a result, ear moulds need to be replaced once they no longer seal, especially in the case of more demanding noise protection, such as motorcycle, industrial or shooting ear protection. As a result, impressions need to be retaken every 2 years. We hope this video has been informative, and if you're looking for more information on impression taking, please don't hesitate to check out our content-rich website at www.hearinghealthcarecentre.co.uk. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful hearing-related content. We'll see you in the next video.